Hey, good morning. This is Saturday night. No, just kidding. Little. You want to start with this video now? Number 1. Describe how to solve the inequality 3x plus 4 is. How do you say that little inequality symbol? Less than. Correct. That little inequality symbol is less than. How do you solve these, guys? What can we do? Don't worry, I can wait. And so can you. ¿Qué podemos hacer en los dos lados? What can we do in both sides? I'm sorry? Take away how many? 4. Why 4? But over here, there's like a little 1, 6, 12. There's 13 here. Why do I take away just 4? Because the left only has 4. La izquierda solo tiene 4. So that's the only amount that we can actually take away. So we take away 1, 2, 3, and never mind. Sorry. I'm doing this wrong. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Awesome class.
Pretty good.
Thank you.
Very, very
Yes. I'll be right back, okay?
Oh. But I'm not. If she does. Now, Fabiana, I need you to do me a favor. Can you do me a favor? That little green, just connect it, please. There you go. And the soccer ball, it has a little switch, so just turn it. There you go. Thank you, Fabiana. Soccer's my passion, you guys. I hope you know that by now. And what I do to one side, I have to do where, guys? So I take away 4 to the other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what do I have?
You have a nice square and 3 rectangles.
I have 3 rectangles. That's correct. What does that represent? A rectangle represents what, guys? A rectangle represents what? I'm sorry? What was that? The X? Correct. Rectangles represents X's, Y's, variables, letters. So this is 3X. And how many do I have on the right? 9, correct. Now, what am I missing? What am I missing? What symbol is that one? What symbol is this? Less than. That's what I'm missing, and that's what I'm going to have. Less than. There we go. Now, what do we do, guys? Each one is going to have how much? Okay. Don't get scared, guys. Go. Mr. Jaciel will protect us, right? Now, each rectangle is going to have how many squares? Each rectangle has how many? 3. So that means this is what you are going to write. Describe how to solve the inequality. We take away four squares from both sides. And divide them equally by 3. You take away 4 plus 1 squares from both sides and divide them equally. Guys ready? You guys ready?
No.
Fabiana, are you ready? Steffi, are you ready? I'm sorry? Brenda?
No.
Marta? Ala?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let me know you're ready, guys. Otherwise, I don't know if to move on or if I can move on. Are you ready, Viana?
I said no.
Thank you. Sí, Viana, pero si nomás lo dices tú, necesito todo. Pero thank you. Now for the main plate, for the main course, or how do you say that? El platillo, ¿cómo se dice?
The main
Ah,
dish?
¿En español?
I don't know.
Ah,
Where?
el platillo original. Carolina, ¿cómo se dice cuando vas a un restaurante y es el mero mero, el platillo?
Final course, best dish in the house.
¿El qué?
Principal. Platillo principal.
No, el principal. No, el principal es... no, just kidding. ¿Se dice principal, Cristina? ¿El platillo principal? Bueno, el platillo que se van a comer, ¿verdad? The main plate, the main dish, whatever you're going to call it, is this right here, what we have right here. Ay. Laser, this right here. Now, what do we do, guys, first? What do we do first? Caden? I'm sorry? Add? At what? At what? Okay, what I do to one side, I do to the other. That's true. So I'm adding 13. What do I have left? What do I have left, Brenda? If I bring this down and I bring this down, what do I have left? Anyone want to help her out? Besides Mr. Kate. I'm hearing complete silence. And I don't know how. Yeah, you want to help?
Sure. 45. 35. Oh, yeah, 35. No,
45.
45.
45. Sir, it's 45. 45.
45 is with you a long time.
45. So that means
Oh.
there shouldn't be any problem. It actually helps to be like this. That means there shouldn't be any problems. You already have it. Okay. What do we do?
13 plus 30.
No. What do we break down?
5.
5D. The 5D, you just bring it down. And what else are you going to bring down? What's 32 plus 12?
45.
Well, plus 13, I'm sorry, yeah. 45. Now, you already did it. Okay. You just got to pay attention and participate. That's all you got to do. Now, 5D less than 45. 5D less than 45. Ahora, what do we do next? What are the 5D doing with one another? Están multiplicando. What's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. What I do to one side, I have to do where? The other. What is 45 divided by 5? So D is, what do you say, how do you say that symbol? Is less than. Okay, is it open or closed? Open. Open is in between 8 and 10. And what way is it going to go? If it's less, si es menos, ¿a qué lado se va a ir? Left. Okay, this you already have, correct? D is less than 9. You already have it? Good. What about number 3? You already have it as well?
Yeah.
What about number 4?
No.
No, okay. Well, we can work with that one. What are we going to do with number 4?
You're going to subtract the
Not exactly subtract.
add.
Well, you know what? For number 4 and for number 5, I think we need a little bit more space. So, let me give each one of you a paper, and you're going to turn it in at the end of the class. How about that? Number 4 and number 5. This is what we did yesterday, I believe, right?
Well, I don't need a paper.
Okay.
I don't need a paper.
You don't need a paper?
I have a whole book.
Make sure that whole book is there you go. Now you are going to need your notebook after this. Okay, try number 4 and number 5. I think you should be. All you're doing is plugging in the number. All you're doing is substituting negative 12, negative 11, and negative 2. Alright? Todo lo que están haciendo es poniendo el número ahí adentro y multiplicando. Es todo. Meanwhile, I'm going to do this. And just in case you need a little bit of help, I'll organize it for you, don't worry. You're gonna write the same equation, oh, actually, same inequality, I'm sorry. The same one, but instead of m, you're gonna write the numbers that they're giving you. You're gonna plug them in, and that's it. This is what you're gonna do for each one. It might seem like a lot, but it's really not. Mr. Kazir? Okay, first one. What do you have, or what do you get when you multiply 2 and negative 2? I'm sorry, 2 and negative 12. What is 2 times negative 12? A little bit louder. What is 2 times negative 12? What's 2 times negative 12? Okay, what's 2 times 12? 24. One negative makes the entire thing negative. So we have negative 24. Oh. And then bring everything else down. Now, same sign or different sign? This right here. Same sign or different sign? Different signs, what do you do? Different signs, what do you do? Subtract. What's 24 minus 18? 24 menos 18. 6. And which one's bigger? The 24 or the 18? So it's negative 6. Bring everything else down. I want to ask you this. Is negative 6, can someone read it actually?
Negative 6 is greater than negative 4.
One more time.
Negative 6 is greater than negative 4.
Negative 6 is greater than negative 4. Is that true?
No.
No, it's not. This is what we need to do for each one. Just plug in the number, multiplying, adding, that's it. Okay? It's not that hard. All you have to do is show your work. Okay? Now, this is for that one. What about this one over here? 2 times 11. Well, actually, 2 times negative 11 plus 18 is greater than negative 4. What's 2 times negative 11? Negative 22. Are you a little bit more confident with that? I like that. Don't be afraid of negatives, guys, please. They're the same thing. We just need one more step and that's it. This is a 2-step inequality. We already did the first one. Ya hicimos la primera. Y además nos falta una cosa más. Okay. Same sign or different sign? Different signs, what do you do? What is 22 minus 18? What is 22 minus 18? 4. And which one is bigger? So it's negative 4. Negative 4. Can someone read it, please?
Negative 4 is greater than negative 4.
Is negative 4 greater than negative 4? Yes or no? No. What if it had a little line right here in the bottom?
Then it'll be right.
Then that would be true. But because it doesn't, this is false again. False and false. So not negative 12, not negative 11, maybe negative 10. Let's check. Last one. 2 times negative 10 plus 18 is greater than negative 4. There we go. Now, what's 2 times negative 10? Negative 20. Perfect. You bring everything else down. Traen todo lo demás para abajo. We already did one step. We have just one little teeny tiny step to go. Same sign or different sign? Different signs, what do you do? Subtract. What's 20 minus 18? 2. And which one's bigger? 20. So it's negative 2. Good. Ahora, we bring everything else down. Hey. I want to ask you this. Is negative 2 greater than negative 4? Yay! Finally, we're done. We have that our answer is this one right here. If they all worked, we would circle all of them, but only negative 10. Only when it works, you circle it. If they didn't work, I'm sorry, but it's not true. So not these two. Vámonos. Now, try to do this one on your own. Doing the exact same thing, guys. Haciendo exactamente lo mismo. Por 0 va a estar fácil. Por 1 va a estar fácil. The times half, that's going to be just a little bit tricky. But don't worry. Yes?
I'm done.
You're done with that one?
Yes.
No es cierto. Pero I haven't even said anything about it. Can I check it? Please?
Yes.
What have you said now? And I won't check. You have to respect. Yeah, right. Ahí para ¿Dónde está eso, Puppies?
There's a lot of them. It also says on my back.
Money?
It also says where they're at my back. So this is the tour button, so every store they open is on the back.
I got it, Puppies. Yo siempre he querido un sticker. There's some really famous, like, what's it called, pudding? Puppies. Así, mala cultura. What do you laugh? You know it's right? Yeah, you know it's right. That's good. Good. Confidence. I like it. Perfect. You know what I'm going to ask you to do? Ask. No, creo que no. Creo que ya está. ¿Qué más vas a hacer? ¿Vas a poner tu nombre o qué? No, ya lo tienes. Ahora sí vas a poner papel, ¿verdad? Siempre pones papel. Órale. Ahora, ¿me pueden ayudar con los demás, por favor? No es cierto. ¿Cuánto me da? ¿Tengo 6?